Let's rock. Jeff here. I just went into Keystone Fireworks in Matamoros, PA, and I am now leaving the great state of Pennsylvania, entering into New York with a trunk load of contraband. Anyway, I got some crap. Monday is Memorial Day, and when I get home, I will show you my haul. So I'll be home in about 68 miles, and it's starting to rain. The races at Orange County tonight have been canceled for the third consecutive week due to weather, and the sun went in sometime on Wednesday, and we haven't seen it since. See the sky? Well, what can you do? It is what it is. Mother Nature wins again. Sorry to say. But anyway, I'm out. I gotta make a pass here in a second. I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Alright. I just got back. Round trip from my driveway back to my driveway, 134.2 miles. I drove through 4 counties, drove on about 7 roads, used half a tank of gas, and paid about $3.90 in tolls. Spent $211, and right now it's rainy, windy, and dark, and I'm wearing sunglasses. Before I go in and show you my haul, I just want to give a shout out to my bud Drew. Drew was making fun of my bands I've seen video the other day and thought it was funny that I listened to something called Flotsam and Jetsam. Drew, this one's for you, bubby. Hope you're watching. Say hello to all the people. See you inside. Alright, I'm home now. Here's my number 10 sparklers. Come in 3 colors, red, green, and gold. 12 2-pack. Number 20 sparklers. And these are Dragon Balls. 4 2-pack. Only $1.99. And some standard Roman candles. Shoot about 30 feet in the air with report. Grenade crackers. They should be lame. I just wanted to try a pack of these. These are called ground flowers. They have them by the gross, but I only got a couple packs just to check them out. Here's the standard smoke bomb. Alright, it's not a bomb, it's a smoke thing. It's got some M100s. I haven't seen what they can do, but we'll find out. Got some of these for the kiddies, and I got 12 M5000s jumbo. Should be good. So tune in tomorrow and I'll light it all off for you.